Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you why Nova AI is the best online video editing app. Firstly, head over to Nova AI website by clicking the link in the description. When you launch the Nova app, you're immediately brought into your video editing project space. If you've already worked on projects, you'll find them listed here. However, if it's your first time, the space will be empty. To start a new project, simply click on Create Project. Here, you have various options for creating a project. You can record a video directly within the Nova app or upload existing footage. Let's choose to upload a video. Upon clicking Create Project, you'll be prompted to upload from your computer, Nova Library, YouTube, or stock video. Select your desired video file and it will be imported into the video editor. Now you can begin by renaming your project for easy identification later. You can also adjust the size to fit different platforms, rotate, and resize as needed. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can undo or redo actions easily. In the Media section, you can upload additional videos, images, audio, and even stock media. Let's upload an image from our computer and resize it accordingly. You can adjust the duration of items on your timeline and rearrange them as desired. To add more videos, simply click on the plus sign. You can also search for specific stock media, such as images or videos, to enhance your project. Keep in mind that items added later will overlay those already on the timeline, but you can reorder them easily. Now, let's explore the Sound section, where you'll find sound effects and music. You can search for music based on your preference and listen to previews before adding them to your project. Once you find the perfect track, simply click to add it. And that's it. With Nova AI, you can easily edit your videos online with intuitive tools and access to a vast library of media. So go ahead, try Nova AI for free by clicking the link in the description and unleash your creativity and start editing with Nova AI today.